This juicy pan-fried chicken breast is the perfect meal for that your wicked mother-in-law. For this recipe, I'll be using some onions, ginger garlic seasoning cube, chicken breast, parsley, and salt. So I go ahead to marinate the chicken breast using the ingredients. I'm going to rub in the seasoning cube and the salt into the chicken breast. I'll grate some ginger and garlic. Now I'm going to massage that right into the chicken breast. I'm going to show this chicken so much love. Be very gentle and tender with this chicken. So I'm going to add parsley, some parsley leaves. And then I'm going to add some onions. When I'm done with this, I would cover this and put it away in the fridge or freezer for a couple of hours. Then in a pan, I'll go in with some oil. And then add the chicken breast. Keep flipping from time to time to make sure it doesn't burn and to make sure that both sides cook evenly. After 20 minutes, I flip again to make sure that, like I said, that both sides cook evenly. And at this point, I added more parsley. Now, what makes this recipe very special is because it uses less oil. You can even use no oil at all if you wish, but you can use very little oil. So it doesn't require you to fry deeply. The most important thing is that you grease your pan. So whether you spray the oil or you just add a little quantity is fine. At this point, the chicken is beginning to brown and it's looking very nice. And here we have it. The chicken breast is ready. Now, another beautiful thing about this is how firm it is. It's not soft, like very, very soft. No, it's firm in the mouth, like it's full in the mouth as well. So you can enjoy this, you can snack on this, you can also maybe pair it with your meals, or you can serve, like I said, your wicked mother-in-law in quotes. Actually, your best mom-in-law. So guys, thank you for watching, and until next time that I see you, enjoy this video. Bye bye. Chidima Elu loves you. Stay blessed and stay safe. Mwah.